So if you're in this part of the tutorial where it says import pyperclip, and in order to do this you gotta go to Appendix A and learn how to install third-party modules for the MU editor. But it is really simple. Let me show you how to do it. For the pyperclip thing, click the gear icon on the lower right section on the MU editor here. Go to third-party packages and type, because this is gonna be blank, okay? Pyperclip. Pyperclip. Hit OK, and for you it's gonna take a few seconds to do something, and then there you go. Now you can do import pyperclip dot copy. Oh, sorry. Hello world. Oh. Pyperclip dot paste. Hello world. There you go. Hopefully I saved you a few hours on this. Thank you for watching.